Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to log in Fixy AI app. First, make sure that you have downloaded Fixy AI app on your phone, and after you download it, simply click on the search bar and type in Fixy. Now you'll see this page, click on continue. Here again click on this continue option. Now finally click on this finish button. After that, you can see this different price plan for this app. If you want to use this app freely, then click on this try for free, and if you want to add subscription weekly or of yearly, click on this respective button here. After that, click on try for free option. So following this, you can now easily access Fixy AI app on your phone. You do not need any other information to log into your account. So these are the simple steps to use Fixy AI app on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.